After a year of doing things on our own, including our back-end finances and so forth, we realized we need some help. That's not where our expertise lies, and we got connected with Mastery, you and your organization, and the rest is history. Before we started working together, we didn't have any foundation, any real structure. Fast forward to now present day, we have long-term goals, short-term goals, job cost tracking on every project, so we know exactly where our costs lie, what jobs are profitable, what jobs aren't, which clients are profitable, which clients aren't. We have much more financial security and structure than we did, and all of this has been continually evolving as we've continued to work together. All these systems and processes continue to improve and be further developed because of your assistance and your guidance. It's enabled us to focus more on what our clients need. I'm not scrambling as to what's our next move. We can focus on being good electricians, being good service providers to our clients. As a result of working with your organization, we do have confidence, we have peace of mind, and so forth. Really, the list goes on. It's really hard to quantify. Everything's worked out incredibly, a lot better than what we even anticipated. When we have done projections together, that enabled us to make a empowered decision, not just let's hope it works.
Yeah, it takes the guesswork out of it, eh? Yeah, for sure.
Absolutely.